Hello, dear students. How are you all? I hope that you all will be fine and doing great at your home. Welcome back to your online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School situated Kolabachar, Gorakhpur. Student, today's video, we're going to start the next chapter number 2. Okay? So for that, you all take out your new Champs English Reader book and open chapter number 2. The chapter number 2 is the lost ship. Okay, the lost ship. Student, in this story, we have to learn about a ship who lived with a boy. One day, the ship ran away into the forest. The ship would not go home, so all the animals of forest tried to make ship go home, but ship would not agree. So how could they make the ship go home? The whole story is related to that. The whole story is moving around the little boy and his ship. So student, let's start the video. So first of all, we're going to read and after that I will explain this story to you. Okay, so come to the first para. Here we have to read that a little boy had a ship. A little boy had a ship. The ship ran away. The ship went into the forest. He saw some grass. He wanted to eat the grass. The little boy wanted to go home. The ship would not go home. The boy began to cry. A rabbit came by. Student, in this story, there is a little boy who had a sheep. So one day, the sheep has run away into the forest and there he saw some grass. So the sheep wanted to eat the grass. So that time the little boy wanted to go home, but the sheep would not go home. So that time the boy began to cry. So that moment a little rabbit came by and he asking to the little boy that why are you crying? Here we can see that a little rabbit came by and he is asking to the boy that why are you crying, little boy? So that time little boy replied that I am crying because my ship has run away. The little boy replied that I am crying because my ship has run away. So the rabbit says that don't cry, little boy. Don't cry, little boy. I can make the ship go home. This rabbit saying to the little boy that don't cry, little boy. I can make the ship go home. So what happened next? Come to the next para. So here the rabbit ran after the sheep. Okay, the rabbit ran after the sheep. The sheep would not go home. So then the rabbit began to cry. Okay. So student, what happened in the story? Firstly, we have to read that a little boy had a sheep. So one day sheep ran away into the forest and sheep wanted to eat the grass, but little boy wanted to go home. So that time sheep would not go home. So that moment the little boy started crying. So a little rabbit came and asked to little boy that what happened, why are you crying? So little boy replied that I am crying because my sheep has run away. So rabbit told him that don't cry, I can make the sheep go home. So the rabbit ran after the sheep, but the sheep neglect to returning. Okay, so that time the little rabbit started crying. So now next, what happened the next story? So come to the next. So next a squirrel came by. Okay, when the rabbit started crying, so that time a little squirrel came by and again the little squirrel asking to the rabbit that what happened? Why are you crying, little rabbit? Why are you crying, little rabbit? So the little rabbit repeat the same word that boy told him, that I am crying because the little boy is crying, his sheep has run away. So the little squirrel, as you can see, the rabbit is crying, and a squirrel comes and asks to rabbit that what happened, why are you crying? So rabbit is replied that I am crying because the little boy is crying, his sheep has run away. So that time this squirrel told to rabbit that please don't cry, I can make the sheep go home. I can make the sheep go home. So again squirrel is trying to make sheep go home. So the squirrel ran after the sheep. The squirrel ran after the sheep. The sheep would not go home. Then the squirrel began to cry. A fox came by. When squirrel ran after the sheep, so that time again sheep would not go home. So that time the little squirrel started crying. Okay, so that moment a fox came by. So here as you can see, a fox came by. So he asking to squirrel and rabbit that why are you crying? Why are you all crying? Why are you all crying? So they both replied that we are crying because the little boy's sheep has run away. What they replied? They replied, we are crying because the little boy's sheep has run away. So that's why we are crying. So the fox said that please don't cry. Fox says that please don't cry, I can make the sheep go home. When fox came by and asking to the both rabbit and squirrel that why are you crying, so that time they both replied that we are crying because the little boy's sheep has run away, so that's why we are crying. So that time fox said that please don't cry, I can make the sheep go home. So after that what happened the next? Come to the next para. So here the fox ran after the sheep. The fox ran after the sheep. The sheep would not go home. Then the fox began to cry. Here what happened? So we have to read that the fox ran after the sheep. The sheep would not go home. So then the fox began to cry. So that time a bee flew by. When these all are crying, so that time a bee flew by. As you can see at the screen that there is a rabbit, a squirrel and fox are started crying. So that time a bee flew by and asking to this all that why are crying, why are you all crying? So that time they replied that we are crying because the little boy's sheep has run away. Okay, when this little bee asking to them that why are you all crying, so they replied that we are crying because the little boy's sheep has run away. So the little bee replied that please don't cry, I can make the sheep go home. This little bee said saying that please don't cry, I can make the sheep go home. So that time these all are thinking that we cannot make the sheep go home. Can a little bee make the sheep go home? So what happened next? The fox laughed, the rabbit laughed, the squirrel laughed because they are thinking that the bee are very small, so how could he make the sheep go home? Okay, so they are started laughing. So the fox laughed, the rabbit laughed, the squirrel laughed, the little bee flew into the forest. And here is line buzz buzz. Student, what is buzz buzz? It is the sound making by the bee. Okay, buzz means it is the sound that making by bee. Okay, So the bee will sting me, I must run. When the sheep heard the voice of bee, so that time he think that the bee will sting me, I must run. So the sheep ran home. The sheep ran home. Then the little boy laughed. He said, "Thank you, little bee." He said, "Thank you, little bee." Because this little bee make the sheep go home. Okay. So student, in this story there was a little boy. We have to learn in this story that there was a little boy and he had a sheep. The sheep ran away into the forest and the sheep wanted to eat grass. The little boy wanted to go home, but sheep would not. So the boy started to cry. So one by one, animals of forest came by and asked to him, "What's the problem?" And one by one, they tried to make the sheep go home, but the sheep would not go home. So that time, the little bee, the little boy, rabbit, squirrel, and fox start to cry. So that time a little bee come flew by and asked to them what's the problem and said that do not cry, I can make the sheep go home. So all the animals laughed on the bee. So the little bee flew into the forest. So sheep think that the bee will sting me, I must run. The sheep ran home. Then the little boy laughed. He said, "Thank you, little bee." So the moral of this story is that we should be kind and helpful towards animals and we don't laugh on anyone. All are equal. We doesn't think that a little things can't do the big work. Okay student, so these are the story which is given in your book. You must read this story at your home and you also find out the hard words of this chapter. And student, remember always that don't be think that a small things can't do the big things. Okay, so student, that's it for today. Thank you.